Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. Let's start to make a quilling pop-up Valentine card. For that we need quilling strips. This is cardstock, this is red paper, art punch, quilling needle, glue and gel pen. So let's start. First we'll take a cardstock and fold it this way. We are going to make this way, horizontal. Now take a quilling strip. So this will fold it into half and cut it. Cut all the strips. See, I have taken here 4 shades. This is grey, pink, red and dark red. So let's start. I need 4 pieces of grey, 4 pieces of pink, 6 pieces of red and 6 pieces of dark red. So let's start. We'll make a swirl. If you have missed the video about quilling swirls tutorial, please do watch. I'll share the link in the description. Now we will take this 3 strips of dark red first, and we'll stick together all the strips. Now red, 3 strips. Pink, 2 strips. And then 2 strips of grey. Total I have taken here 10 strips. Let it dry. See, now it is dry. Now take with the help of needle or pen or pencil, let's make a coil. Just hold all the strips together very tightly and make a coil. In this manner. Just hold here and leave the coil. See, this is the swirl we are getting. Now we'll pull it strip. Just pull the strips to get the desired shape. See this. Now just cut this. And glue all the strips. See, I have glued all the strips together. Now we'll make another swirl and let this dry. See, I have made these 2 swirls and now we'll join it and we'll glue it in this manner. But before that, I need this space. I'll write here a sentiment. So we'll just first place it where you want to stick your heart. See that both sides have same place left, and I'll mark here very lightly that I have to write the sentiment in this area. Okay, now I'll write a sentiment here. You see, I have written your sentiment. You are always in my heart. Now just erase this lines. Now we will stick this swirls. You have to stick very properly because these are strips, and don't mess with glue. Just apply glue on strips. Now place it. Same way, stick this also. See, I have stick this swirl. Let it dry. Don't touch it till it dry. And I have punch from this paper this little hearts. See here. We'll stick around this. We'll stick it like this way. This manner will stick on both the sides. See, I have stick all these hearts here. Now will not touch it, let it dry. So this is square craft paper. We'll fold it. Fold diagonally also. Fold it. We'll draw a heart here. See, I have drawn in this manner. Now we'll cut it. See, this heart shape comes. Now we'll fold this two parts in this manner. Now we'll stick this heart in this card here in the middle. We'll apply glue. Keep it in the center. Just close it, press it. press it, let it dry. So here it is. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification of my new uploads. See, when we'll open this heart's flower will pop up like this. You can stick pics or write your message here, or you can stick 2 pics and write 2 messages over here. Anyway, you can decorate this as you like. I have kept it simple. So this is it. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Arty and Crafty. Thank you.